Hey photographers, struggling to find the perfect laptop to edit your masterpieces in 2024? Look no further. We're diving deep into the hottest photo editing machines on the market to find the perfect fit for you. From budget-friendly beasts to powerhouses for pros, we've got you covered. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. MacBook Pro 16 M2 Max 2023. The M2 Max gives you unparalleled photo editing power. The MacBook Pro 16 with M2 Max is an absolute demon of a laptop, capable of tearing through any photo editing task and still being ready for more. It handles Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom without breaking a sweat, allowing you to continue with other work simultaneously. However, it comes with a monstrous price that can be hard to justify. Photographers might be better served by the M2 Pro, which is available in both the 16-inch and 14-inch MacBook Pro models. The 16-inch version is ideal for those who want a bigger screen to see more of their images. The MacBook Pro 16 is a fantastic laptop with many impressive features, including a beautiful color-accurate screen, booming speakers, a sharp webcam, and an excellent keyboard and trackpad. It is a worthy upgrade for anyone using Intel-based MacBooks. Number 2. MacBook Pro 14 M3 2023. Though it isn't a huge performance upgrade from previous M2-based 14 inches MacBook Pro models, the latest M3 edition is still a joy to use. Editing is a breeze, as it handles Photoshop, Lightroom, and Premiere with ease, barely slowing down even under heavy workloads. The base 8 GB RAM option is low, and you can't add memory after purchase, so it's wise to upgrade to 16 GB for peace of mind or even 24 GB to be truly future-proofed. The M3 MacBook Pro is packed with all the ports a creative needs, including 3 Thunderbolt 4-enabled USB-C ports, HDMI, and an SD card slot. It also features super-fast Wi-Fi 6E for uploading and downloading large files and improved speakers and webcam. This might just be the best MacBook Apple has ever made. Number 3. Asus ProArt Studiobook 16 OLED. Portable power like this is ideal for anyone shooting photos or videos in the field. It's got everything you need in one package, including enough storage to empty your memory cards into. In our benchmark tests, the Asus performed extremely well, with Photoshop and Lightroom running at impressively fast speeds. The 32 addressable threads of this laptop provide a significant speed boost for parallel tasks in Lightroom, such as exporting and generating smart previews. However, the battery life is a disappointment, which is to be expected given the power-hungry nature of the Asus's components. All this power comes at a price, with higher spec models being particularly expensive. Despite the cost, this laptop stands out as versatile, portable, and powerful. Additionally, features like the Asus dial and touchscreen offer unique functionalities that a comparable MacBook Pro can't deliver, making it one of the best laptops for photo and video editing right now. Number 4. Razer Blade 17. The Razer Blade 17 is one of the top-tier options when it comes to high-performing laptops for gamers and creatives, though its premium price tag may be prohibitive for many. At around $4,000 or £4,000, it stands as one of the more expensive options in the market. However, the performance it delivers justifies the cost for those who can afford it. This laptop excels in both gaming and creative tasks, offering levels of performance that surpass most competitors. Whether you're engaging in high-end gaming on Steam or tackling large video editing projects, the Razer Blade 17 is equipped to handle the most demanding applications seamlessly. If your budget allows for the best, the Razer Blade 17 is a strong contender, blending exceptional power, sleek design, and versatility. Its premium build and cutting-edge specifications make it a top choice for those seeking the ultimate in laptop performance. Number 5. MacBook Air 15.3-inch M2 2022. The Apple MacBook Air 15 is arguably the best laptop on the market for most people, especially for photographers, videographers, and creatives seeking a balance of power, portability, and screen size. Its larger, beautiful display, coupled with the impressive performance of the M2 chip, makes it an excellent choice for running the latest editing software smoothly. While there are more powerful Apple options available for the most demanding editing tasks, The MacBook Air 15's performance will be more than sufficient for the vast majority of users. Its lightweight design ensures it can be easily slipped into a backpack, making it ideal for on-the-go work. However, the MacBook Air 15 does have some limitations that may affect content creators. The scarcity of ports and the lack of an SD card slot mean that users will likely need to rely on dongles and adapters, which can be inconvenient. This is an area where the MacBook Pro excels, offering a more port-rich, dongle-free experience. Alright, so you want the winner? The crown goes to the Apple MacBook Pro 16. It crushes photo editing tasks with its insane power and gorgeous display. But fear not, there's a perfect fit for everyone's needs on this list, so keep on watching to see which option is best for you.